Today I'll show you guys how we guys can get AliExpress promo code in this video. And before I show you guys how we guys can do that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, hit that subscribe to our channel for future promo code related videos just like this. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to this website called Coupon Follow. To search for Coupon Follow, and after you search for it, the first option Coupon Follow, you want to click on it. It'll take you to its official website. Now once you're in this page where it says search, you want to click on it and search for AliExpress. Once you write Ali, it should show you AliExpress, so just click on it and all the promo code available for AliExpress is going to be shown over here. Choose the promo code you want. Let's say I want to have this. I can click on show coupon code right beside it and it's going to show me the coupon code. Now I can click on copy and during the checkout time in AliExpress, use this coupon code to get 14% off. So you can look at all these various coupon code and use the one which you like. So that's how you guys can find AliExpress coupon code. Hit that subscribe to our channel, want to step. I'll see you guys next time.